Hello there, my name is Davidas and I'm a Director of Customer Support in Omnisend. I want to give you 5 reasons why Omnisend Customer Support Team is the best in the world. Reason number 5, our customer satisfaction is at 96%. Since July 2021, we have increased it by over 2%, and that is significant as we get closer and closer to perfection. Number 4, well, that is a number dear to our hearts as it represents our 4-minute median first response time, which we are ever improving and got down from 8 minutes in 2021. Again, when looking at our industry, 12% of companies take longer than a day to reply to a customer's initial request. So actually, by the time these companies reply, we have already resolved all the customer support queries for the day, as it usually takes us 6 hours to resolve any kind of incident, no matter how difficult it is. Reason number 3 is that with speed and satisfactory service, we provide an improving quality and professionalism day after day, year over year. Since July 2021, we grew from 19 team players into 30. From 3 teams without structure and career development in place into 5 teams with respective leadership and structure. Reason number 2 symbolizes another metric, our median response time. Not to be mistaken with first response time, after we establish a contact with you, we will be devoted and engaged with you by responding to your every message in 2 minutes time, compared to the year 2021 result of 3.5 minutes. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Look at our client testimonials. And finally, reason number 1. Nowadays, everyone is going to AI and ChatGPT empowered support, including our support software providers as well. If knowledge-based article is not good enough, if our social media community of support with video tutorials and the blog that we have for support is not good enough, we do trust that a customer really needs a personal help, and we will immediately jump into the conversation with the customer to provide them with something that only a human can understand. And we are firm believers in that. So our reason number 1 is that we remain a customer-centric organization with the human touch support, allowing you to feel like you're the only one in this world. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the core principle of every support specialist at Omnisend.